This is the beginning stages of a new construction house that we're building. And I want to show you step by step how to build a house. So the first thing that happens is the surveyor comes out and he places these pink flags all across the site. Now these pink flags correlate to a cut sheet and it shows the excavator how to dig the hole. Then the foundation guy uses that cut sheet and these flags, which there's pins next to it, he uses that to lay out the exact footings for the house. So come on in the hole and I'll show you the footings and the start of the foundation walls. Now I'm in the hole for the new home and I'm actually in the garage. So what you see here, this cement and this rebar makes up the footing. So you have this cement that was formed and poured with your keyway, and then this rebar is set per plans, and we will form the walls, and this whole part, the footing, the keyway, and the walls forms the entire foundation for the home. So you'll see here that where I'm standing in the garage is higher than the rest of the foundation. That's because your garage doesn't have a basement under it. So this is the garage, and then we step the footing down and get down to your basement, because the basement walls will be 8 feet tall, where again, this is grade level and does not have a basement under it. So come on into the basement. So this is the basement. Again, these walls will end up being 8 feet tall, but you see how they poured the footing already, and they also poured these footings. So these footings are going to have columns on them, and they're going to hold up the main beams that hold up the inside structure of the house. So you have these footings for the inside, and then the rest of the house lands on the perimeter walls. So that's how the entire home is supported. It's from the footings, the walls, and then the structure is built on top of this. So these will show you as the house is built. We'll show you the columns that end up landing on these. And then eventually you never see this because we pour the basement floor. So these are the forms for the wall. So after you pour your footing, then the rebar that's sticking out of the footing, this additional rebar, which is steel support to make the foundation walls a lot stronger, they tie up and you build this grid of rebar inside of these forms. So these are all the walls of the home. And then we will pour cement into these forms, and that's how your basement walls are built. So right here, this jog is actually going to be a poured cement staircase to a basement entrance. So I'm standing in the future basement door. But yeah, so we'll show you that next. And again, you see all the rebar, the footing, the walls will go up next. This is the stairs, and then this will be an outside entrance into the basement.